Okay, so today we're going to show you how to change a black and white image such as this one into a colored image in just 5 clicks. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open up your image in Photoshop. You want to make sure you're running one of the newer versions of Photoshop for this. Once you have your image in Photoshop, what you want to do is click on Filter, go down to Neural Filters, and it'll bring up this dialog box. What you want to look for is the Colorize option. Now I've already downloaded this, but you will see a wee cloud beside it with the download. Just click that and it will download. Once it's downloaded, all you need to do is actually click it on, and boom, you can see right there that our image has now been added to color. There's various options here and different ways you can add it to the layer. You can also change the saturation and stuff, but I find the default is pretty close to where you want to begin for your image. And once you're finished, you just click OK, and you can see right here that it's added a new layer above the black and white image with the colored one. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.